Come test drive this 2012 Ford F-150. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.